Hey everyone, welcome to today's session where we're going to talk about something that's super important yet often overlooked. Setting personal time management goals. It's like drawing your own map before starting a journey. You need to know your destination and the path you want to take. Let's dive into how you can align your time management with what truly matters to you, both personally and professionally. Why personal goals matter in time management. Your personal compass. Think of your goals as your compass guiding you through the ocean of daily tasks and distractions. They help you stay focused on what's truly important, avoiding the sailing without a map scenario. Balancing the scales. We all struggle to balance our personal and professional lives. By setting clear goals, you can ensure that one doesn't overshadow the other. It's like keeping both sides of the scale in check. Reflecting on your priorities. The big picture. Start with the big picture. What are your long-term goals? It could be climbing the career ladder, spending more quality time with family, or pursuing a passion project. Imagine you're painting your life's masterpiece. What do you want it to depict? Breaking it down. Once you have the big picture, break it down into smaller, manageable goals. These are your brush strokes that collectively create the whole image. The Wheel of Life exercise. A great tool for this is the Wheel of Life exercise. Picture a wheel divided into segments like work, family, health, hobbies, etc. Rate your satisfaction in each area and you'll see which segments need more attention. Setting SMART goals. Specific and measurable. Your goals should be clear and quantifiable. Instead of saying, I want to spend more time on personal development, try, I will dedicate 30 minutes each day to reading or learning a new skill. Achievable and realistic. Set goals that are challenging yet achievable. It's like setting a hiking trail. You want the journey to be stimulating, not discouraging. Time-bound. Give your goals a deadline. It creates a sense of urgency and helps keep you on track. Regular check-ins and adjustments. Keeping the course. Regularly check in with yourself to see how you're progressing towards your goals. It's like using a GPS on a road trip. Sometimes you need to reroute. Flexibility is key. Be prepared to adjust your goals as needed. Life is unpredictable and your goals should be adaptable. Setting personal time management goals is about creating a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's about painting your own picture, building your own path, and steering your own ship. All right, folks, that's it for today. Take some time to reflect on your priorities and start setting those SMART goals. Remember, you're the artist of your own life. Make sure you're painting a picture that brings you joy and fulfillment. See you in the next session, ready to turn those goals into reality.